A very pleasant good morning to all. Myself Amrita from class 8 of Sanskar Sagar Public School. Today I am going to explain friction chapter of my science textbook. Firstly, I heartily thankful for my principal sir to giving me a chance to explain in front of you all. If there will be any mistake, then pardon me. So without delaying, let's start our topic. Introduction of friction. We experience various types of friction in our daily life, such as gravitational force, magnetic force, electrostatic force, etc. Frictional force is a type of force which helps us to walk on ground. We cannot walk on a ground if there will be no friction. Frictional force work when two objects come in contact with each other. What is friction? Friction is a resistive force and it is also a contact force. What are the causes of friction? There are three causes of friction. First, surface. Second, deformation. Third, molecular addition. What are type of friction? There are three type of friction. First, static friction. Second, sliding friction. Third, rolling friction. First, definition of static friction. Between two or more solid objects that not moving respect to each other. Law of static friction. The maximum force of static friction is not depend on contact area. Second, definition of sliding friction. It is a friction resist the motion of two objects that slide against each other. Property of sliding friction. Sliding friction less than static friction for every material except metal. Second property, sliding friction is depend on material of the object and mass of the object. Third, rolling friction. It is a force that resists the movement of wheel and ball. Property of rolling friction. It is the weakest type of friction, that why wheel and ball bearing facilitate move. Factor of friction. There are two factors of friction on which depends. First, nature of the surface in contact area. Second, mass of the object. Nature of the surface are smooth surface and rough surface. Smooth surface have less compared than rough surface. Rough surface have more friction compared than smooth surface. So, thank you everyone.